The Arranmore Cultural Centre is part of the core common here on Arranmore Island, and it has many uses. It's used for meeting rooms, for holding various classes. It's also a cafe, so it's an essential part of life here on Arranmore Island. I suppose we went to get the upgrades done to the centre because we found our fuel bills were extremely high to heating it. It's a quite large open space inside, so we decided we would take advantage of some of these upgrades that was available with the funding for it, just to get savings really and to future-proof the building going forward. Our manager here in Oileán was in talks with a local rep. We've previously had work done on our 8 self-catering holiday homes here at the village as well, so it's just kind of one thing kind of led on from the other. The first thing we done is we got the walls of the building pumped to hold the heat within the building in, and then we removed our oil burner and installed a wood pellet burner which heatens the whole building now, but not only that, also heatens the water for our cafe. We also got our solar panels done on the roof as well. The solar panel actually has a big saving towards our electricity bill. Doesn't pay for it all, but does reduce it significantly. As a small community here with the rising cost of bills within the organisation, I suppose the biggest is that we don't have that oil bill every year, where our oil bill would be maybe £3,000 to £4,000 a year. That bill is now gone. I know we have to buy the wood pellets, but it's a significant saving. But not only that, the temperature is far easier controlled, so there's a lot of benefits. We've done a lot of upgrades to the building, and it's really proven to save us an awful lot of money.